Lower your hands back to shoulder level. Strike 3 more times. Return to low hanging hands and flip palms. Strike low 3 times. Perform 3 post breaths. Slowly stand up. This is the left bow stance, continuous double hanging hands. Switch to right bow stance. Place both hands on both sides of the post to practice. Palms facing diagonally down. Perform 3 pre-breaths. Start striking the post with both hands. Low strikes 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Mid strikes 3 times, 1, 2, 3. High hanging strikes 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Return to mid strikes 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Return to low strikes 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Stop, perform 3 post breaths. First, exhale once through the nose. Then inhale and exhale 3 times each. Right bow stance practice complete. Practice the left bow stance and right bow stance once each. Practice both left and right bow stances once. Coordinate with striking the post once with both hands. This is known as one clap. The first level of training. Practice the 3 clap hands.